Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best camera is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools available to creators today, offering an unparalleled ability to capture the world around us with stunning clarity and detail, transforming fleeting moments into timeless memories and enabling us to share our unique perspectives with a global audience through the magic of visual storytelling. Number 5. 100 Questions for Stronger Photographs. Are you looking to elevate your photography? This guide offers 100 insightful questions designed to deepen your creative process. Discover how to make your images more expressive and impactful. Move past simple snapshots and explore the heart of your subject. These questions encourage you to think critically about composition, light, and emotion. Capture the true essence of every moment. Find your distinct photographic voice. By answering these prompts, you'll refine your perspective and learn to translate your vision into powerful visuals. Make every shot tell a story. Learn to convey deeper meaning and emotion through your photographs. This resource provides a framework for thoughtful image making. Strengthen your connection with your viewers. Ready to see your work in a new light? Dive into these 100 questions and start creating more compelling and expressive photographs. Your journey to stronger images begins now. What we like. This book delves into the core of what makes a photograph compelling. It encourages you to think deeply about your subject and intent. If you're looking to move beyond technical settings and truly infuse your images with meaning and emotion, this is the guide for you. What people say. This book is an excellent guide for aspiring photographers. It covers essential concepts like composition, lighting, and exposure in a clear and concise manner. The author provides practical tips and examples that are easy to understand and apply. Number 4. Digital Photography Complete Course. Unlock your creative potential with our comprehensive digital photography course. Learn everything you need to know to capture stunning images. In just 20 weeks, you'll gain the skills and knowledge to excel in digital photography. This program is designed for rapid learning and lasting impact. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this course covers all essential aspects. We guide you from the basics to advanced techniques. Dive deep into every facet of digital photography. Our curriculum is designed to be thorough, ensuring you miss nothing important. Transform your passion into a skill. This course provides the structured learning you need to achieve your photography aspirations. What we like. This course offers a complete, structured path to mastering digital photography. With a 20-week program, it covers everything systematically. If you want a thorough, in-depth education from start to finish and prefer a guided learning journey, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This book is a fantastic guide for anyone looking to improve their photography skills. It covers a wide range of topics, from composition and lighting to camera settings and post-processing. The author explains complex concepts in a clear and concise manner, making it easy for beginners to understand. The book is filled with practical tips and examples that you can apply immediately to your own photos. The layout of the book is also well designed, with plenty of high-quality images to illustrate the points being made. It's a visually appealing and informative read that will undoubtedly help you take better photographs. Number 3. BetterPhoto Basics, Beginner's Guide to Pro Photography. Are you ready to elevate your photography skills? This guide is designed to take you from beginner to pro. Learn the essential techniques to capture stunning images. We break down the core concepts of photography in an easy-to-understand way. You'll grasp the basics that form the foundation of great photos. No more guesswork, just clear instruction. Discover the secrets that professional photographers use every day. You'll learn how to control your camera and your creative vision. Start taking photos that impress. This comprehensive guide is perfect for anyone just starting out. We provide the knowledge and confidence you need to achieve professional-looking results. Your photography journey starts here. Get ready to transform your pictures with BetterPhoto Basics. It's the ultimate beginner's guide to mastering photography. Start capturing memories like a pro today. What we like. This guide is designed to take absolute beginners and equip them with professional-level skills. It breaks down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps. If you're just starting out and want to quickly gain confidence and produce impressive photos, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. This book is a great starting point for beginners. It covers the fundamentals of photography in a clear and concise way, making it easy to understand even for those with no prior experience. The author provides practical tips and techniques that can be immediately applied to improve your photos. The examples used are relevant and illustrate the concepts effectively. The layout and design of the book are well thought out, with plenty of visual aids to support the text. It's a pleasure to read and refer back to. Number 2. Smartphone Smart Photography Guide. Discover simple techniques to elevate your mobile photography. Learn how to capture stunning images with the device you already own. Transform your everyday snapshots into professional quality photographs. We'll show you how to master your smartphone camera with ease. Whether you use an iPhone or an Android, these tips are designed for you. Get ready to take your pictures to the next level. It doesn't take complicated equipment to get great shots. Follow our straightforward methods for breathtaking results every time. Stop missing out on great photo opportunities. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to shoot incredible pictures anytime, anywhere. What we like. This resource focuses specifically on leveraging the power of your smartphone for great photos. It provides simple, effective techniques tailored for mobile devices. If you primarily shoot with your phone and want to elevate your mobile photography without complex gear, this is the ideal guide. What people say. This book is a comprehensive guide to photography, covering everything from camera settings to composition. The author explains complex concepts in a clear and concise manner, making it easy for beginners to understand. The book includes numerous examples and illustrations that help to visualize the concepts being taught. Number 1. Instagram Famous, Photography, Captions, Etiquette, Kit and Account Management. Dreaming of Instagram fame? This guide reveals the secrets to capturing stunning photos and crafting compelling captions that will make your profile shine. Learn essential photographic techniques to elevate your visuals. We'll cover everything from lighting to composition, ensuring your images stand out in the feed. Discover the art of captioning. Understand how to write engaging text that resonates with your audience and encourages interaction. Master the unspoken rules of Instagram. Learn the codes of conduct that will help you build a positive and respected online presence. Equip yourself with the best tools for the job. We'll guide you through selecting the right kit to enhance your content creation. Take control of your Instagram journey. Learn effective strategies for managing your account and growing your follower base consistently. What we like. This book is your ultimate guide to becoming a star on Instagram through photography. It covers not just taking great pictures but also the crucial elements of engagement and online visibility. If your goal is to build a strong presence and gain followers on social media platforms like Instagram, this is the resource you need. What people say. This book is a fantastic guide for anyone looking to improve their photography skills. The author provides clear and concise explanations of technical concepts, making them easy to understand. It covers a wide range of topics, from composition and lighting to camera settings and post-processing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.